Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're with Executive Care Detail. He opened up a detailing shop not too long ago right here in Vista, California. We're trying to get some more attention towards the area and, you know, just try to let people know that the shop is here. Also, we got North County Tires and Shocks. They emptied out the parking lot, so they're gonna let people park here. Right now it's kind of early and everyone's kind of hungover on a Sunday morning, so it's kind of hard to get people out here. But we'll see how it turns out. We also brought a bunch of merch, and I'll show you some of the other people's merch, just to like get people hyped up and let them know that eventually there will be a lot more clothes and stuff going on, projects behind the scenes and whatnot, more products. All right, so a few more cars now on the Holics with the dope ass merch. Check it out. Yeah, and we got our stand over here, just a bunch of random stuff for the people to check out, get an idea what's coming. Got the tamales. Fire. All right, so this is a shop throwing the event. So yeah, check it out. They have a ton of cool products. Almost anything you could think of, they got it. If you're not at the meet, where you at? Don't put that in. Honestly, my car needs like all of this, because every time you see my car, it looks like shit. It's all dusty, all scratched, terrible. You can give this little shirt to the little kid. He bought a hat and it looks cool.
That's because you get Toyotas for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first.
Yeah, it's not talking about like,
You guys smile for the picture?
There you go. Yeah. Alright, so pretty mellow day. Not too many people showed up, just compared to like other people's meets. But for us, we're super happy with the turnout. Everyone here was super cool, respectful. It was a good chance to be able to talk to everyone and get to know them on a little bit more personal level, instead of just meeting like 100 people, you know, or whatever it is. Hopefully we brought some exposure to the business here, since they were the ones that invited us. That was the main goal, and what we were really trying to do is just try to get some people here, let them know that they're here. Hopefully, even if today we were unsuccessful, the pictures or the video or something else, one of our other projects on the side, will end up making up for it, and hopefully get some exposure for them to make up for that, and, you know, let some people know that they're here. Yeah, super big thank you to the owner of Exclusive right here. He was super cool. The hospitality is insane. He told us we could throw meets here whenever, but yeah, we want to make it nicer for him next time. But yeah, thank you very much. Super cool, super nice. I'll show you the shop one last time. And then right here we have tamales, DJ. So as you can see, there's a ton of really good priced product. All sorts of products, from glass cleaner, degreaser, fragrances. They got bottles, brushes, pads, anything you can think of, they got it here. And then they also take appointments to be able to detail your car. So if you want to bring yours in, they can do that for you. What did you spray?
PNS. Wireless wash.
Sick. Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah. All right, so he's about to do the raffle right now.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Well, we are ready for our first raffle. This raffle, it's gonna be towards Broncos Elementary. The tickets that we sold, we're gonna donate the money towards the school so they can buy books for kids. So, on behalf of Waltz Polish, Auto Fanatics, we are about to start the raffle. The first one will be towards Jason, 3MG.
Woo! Right here.
Jason, where are you?
Right here.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
You're the lucky winner, man.
Thank you.
First one.
I appreciate it very much.
Thank you to you. This was able to happen. I mean, sorry. First time talking on the mic. I know we'll mess up.
Practice. Yo, check this out.
Our next winner is gonna be Nestor. Nestor, where are you? Oh
Yeah, dude, I can't believe it. That's sick, huh?
Yeah.
Want a bunch of product for $5? I got like a ton of stuff. I'm super excited, to say the least. Yeah, I got 3 tickets. I'm waiting.
Ticket number 093. 093. 093.
Oh,
093.
no, I don't know if you want to give it to someone else. I got one.
All right. Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you
yeah.
for your support. So Steve Sanchez. Steve Sanchez, where are you? Okay, so this is the last one for right now.
Check out this pretty sick logo. It's got a detailing business, so that's pretty cool. All right, yo, check out this badass hat I got. Got like a evil demon on the navy blue from Honda Holics themselves. Make sure to check them out. I'll post a picture of their stand right here, as well as their ad, so you guys can follow them. Yeah, they got a lot of dope merch, and I was lucky enough to get my hands on this one, so super stoked.
Introducing direct
Billy's eating that aguachile. A1, she says. The other vendors are kind of leaving as well.
You hear that?
They're gonna stay open all day,
Another sound effect.
detailing cars, selling stuff, because it is an actual shop, so they'll be open most of the time. But for us, our day's over.
Unfold a whole new world with Samsung Galaxy.
Thank you, bro.
Until next time.
Likewise, appreciate you.